He has done a good job.
A very neat job. The spread of the light is really better, man. It looks better. Visibility is good too. Chalo, let's head. Okay, so before heading out to the highways, going through some beautiful roads, we'll catch up with one more friend, Melvin, on his 390 adventure. So we three will be going to a place which is called Dandiganahalli Dam. Just a beautiful place to chill out, 100 kilometers from Bangalore. It's all inner road only. Melvin, where is he catching up with us?
Motor store.
Okay, lead the way, dude. Okay, some amount of off-roading. I wasn't expecting this, but it's good to have. It's always good to have some amount of off-roading, isn't it? And we are here at Motor Store and Cafe. Whoop. Hello. These three are the mounting points.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Just the plate.
Yeah, it's a clamp.
So if I remove this comes out.
Yeah.
Okay. Every time.
Okay. Okay, so we were here at Motor Store and Cafe. Damn it. Look at those guys, man. Nothing, not even a helmet on. Crazy people. So we were here at Motor Store and Cafe. We thought Melvin would be joining us for the ride, but he didn't. They've already covered about 50 kilometers now, 50 more to go, and the roads that we will be going through will be villages and towns like these. So all kinds of roads you must have already seen. Off-road, bad road, small road, big road, all kinds of roads will be in experience today. Oh. An angry car rider is here. You see that? You see that? I don't like that. So we are on this beautiful highway. This is the Bangalore-Hyderabad highway, NH44 I think. We'll soon be taking the inside roads again, going into the villages. And today I'm riding with Aryan Rajesh. If you want to see this video, the same exact journey from his point of view, then do follow him on Instagram and subscribe to his channel on YouTube. He also takes his bike to a lot of off-roading trails. Pretty interesting stuff. We are trying to come up here for you guys. So before we reach the place, I've done a lot of upgrades again on my bike, and if you have been following me on Instagram, you will have an idea about what those are. Pretty much all the accessories that I had on my bike are not there anymore. It's a completely different setup that I have here. I'm testing a new windshield as well. I just got it and I'm testing it on the highway today. It's super windy, and we are maintaining a speed of 110 and 120, so pretty much the average speed of touring, and just testing it out. So far so good. But yeah, my final thoughts will be in the review video that I'm going to come up with next week. So stay tuned to my channel if you want to know more about all of these accessories that I've got upgraded for my bike. If you're actually sitting in a very comfortable position, then this windscreen will really protect you from all the wind blasts, because I can feel that the wind is going from top of my head. So does the job nicely on roads is all I can say for now. Yet to test it on off-roads. This windshield is actually holding pretty good. Very nicely. Good job, Adventure Conquest, my buddy. If you want to buy these pieces for your bike, then I'll leave the contact of Keshav, aka my buddy at Adventure Conquest, in the description, and you can directly contact him and get your piece. It's just beautiful. God, superb. Oh no, Oh man, I wanted to do this so differently. Damn it. Oh. What a crazy jump that was. This bus will not even let you go. It will not just let you go. Anyhow, just look at this beautiful place, man. Mountains all around. Finally ahead of the bus. Come on, bruh. Catch up, bruh. You gotta catch up, bruh. Oh man, crazy. It's also easy with this bike. It's also easy. I mean, last time I came here I was on my sports tourer, my RR310. And these were sort of difficult roads that I had to travel, you know. But it's also easy with this bike. I don't even feel like I'm on off-roads. It's all beautiful roads for me. Okay. Nice, 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 very nice. Oh shit, I forgot about Aryan. I just get crazy when I see these kind of roads. Okay. Okay, amazing cornering, amazing braking, amazing off-roading, all experienced in the past 10 seconds. Crazy. Okay, I'll let the leader lead now. Enough for fun. Okay.
It is more 7 kilometers from here. We have to take this right.
Let's have some tea there in that shop. Yeah. Whoopee. Okay, I had some tea here and 7 kilometers more to go. It'll all be inside village roads now.
living it.
Um,
It's more.
uh-huh.
Crowd is more. It's
Then what shall we do?
go.
Anywhere close by that we can visit?
Road. We'll go to the main road.
Okay, okay, cool. Let's go there.
Chill out and we'll ride.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, where is my gloves? Oh, here. Chalo, let's go. Bad luck is surrounding us. So you can see how crowded that place is. A lot of cars and a lot of people are visiting the place today. And that place is really small, so it can't accommodate all these people. It's almost time of closing as well, sunset times. So we were not allowed to go in. So close, yet so far. We're just going to the highway now. Anywho, it's a good ride, and that matters the most. Can we go there? Like, there is a way. Yeah, let's go. Such a beautiful sunset, man. Let's see how far away can we go. Yeah. Oh man, this side, dude. Crazy. So beautiful. I don't think there is a lot of trail anyway there.
ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ.
What? Bikes can't go? Okay. I see barricade there. There are pillar there.
He is telling this is all a forest thing, no?
Yeah. There is no trail, I think. Whee! Hey, it's a nice place to chill. It's also a nice place to chill. There are a lot of lakes around this place, I think.
I saw one there while coming.
Yeah. There was one on the way too.
Right side.
Yeah. Hey, this is better.
I checked. I didn't even take one picture for Instagram also. Nice sunset here.
Yeah, very beautiful sunset, man. Oh, this part actually looks more beautiful than the lake. This area looks like a ghat section. This section, man. Epic beautiful.
Last time when I came, I remember there was guards like this.
Okay.
I was thinking it's normal straight road to the. Whenever I saw the guards, then I recalled, okay, there is guards. Then I switched on my.
So didn't go to waste.
Exploring unplanned is always it will be good.
Okay, so just returning now. Stopped by this very beautiful lake. It's on the way, so not a total waste. Now the sun is down, it's getting dark, and now you can also have an idea about the yellow headlight guard that I have. It's yellow tinted, it's made with fiber. The spread has become better with this headlight guard, and yellow sure helps with the visibility in you know, in bad situations like rainy situations or foggy situations. That's why I got the yellow tinted headlight guard, and hopefully somewhere I'll be able to give you a better idea on how this looks. Here you can see my headlights look pretty different than the stock one. The right one is the stock one and the left one is mine. Yellowish tint looks so much better. Pitch dark scenario, and you can see the spread of the headlight is really better now, and in fact I would say the visibility has also increased. Yellow lights are really a great help. They are much better than white. So I am on the stock version of 390 Adventure again, and the mirror is actually loose, and now you guys also can see the impact of white against the yellow that I have on my bike. Yellow actually improves the visibility by quite a lot amount.
Okay, I'll take.
Oh, you are coming?
No, I tried in different speeds.
Yeah.
So at 100 it starts back.
Uh-huh.
So it goes up. So if I touch down and no, it was very silent.
Yes, man, when you were riding, no, it was looking so beautiful, this bike with this windshield and a yellow guard. So back on my bike again, and finally closing out on today's vlog. I'll see you guys in the next time. Do stay tuned for all the accessories that I have on my bike. I'll leave all the details with you in my next vlog, which will be coming up next week. Peace out, folks. Ciao and enjoy life.